I just wanted to take a moment to acknowledge that this is Hispanic Heritage Month. And Hispanic Heritage Month is to celebrate our culture, to show our pride, and for us to look inward and, just be proud of who we are.
Let me first say, happy Hispanic Heritage Month. Fantastic, yeah. So we're delighted to be hosting this third annual Hudson Es Tu Casa event that has become just a part of, a highlight of our academic year each year. And this year, of course, we're combining it with a community open house. We look forward to lots of folks being engaged here and a lot of great activities. And I want to thank all of you, first of all, to our inspirational students. You're the reason we're here, and we are so proud of you and inspired by you. Students, raise your hands if you would. Yeah. And also I want to thank members of the Latino Advisory Council who have been so generous in partnering with the college to advance our shared goal of making the community aware of not only the life-changing transformational programs offered by this college, but also all of the supports we offer our students, financial aid and beyond, so that more and more members of our community will earn post-secondary credentials, and we see that happen every day, and it's such an honor to be part of a profession that makes those opportunities possible and changes lives. Today I have the great honor of introducing our United States Congressman Rob Menendez, who graciously is with us today, is honoring us with his presence. Thank you, Congressman.
When you walk through this community, you see incredible murals that celebrate people like Celia Cruz. You see art in everything that we do in the Latin community. It's the music, it's the art, it's the culture that makes it incredible. We are fortunate to have someone here today who's from North Bergen, who was trained here in New Jersey, who continues to give back as a teacher. Ray, if you don't mind coming up. And we're going to be presenting Ray with a certificate of congressional recognition for all that he's done for our community.
I'd like to thank Michelle Vitale for seeking me out. Michelle made this possible, coming to my house, looking at my artwork and really enjoying it, appreciating it, and everybody involved in putting the show together. Thank you, Congressman, Mr. President, for coming here and presenting me with the award. I'm Dominican, and part of my culture, if you are from the, Caribbean, you know that it's Spanish, African, Taino. We're a mix of a lot of different things that are wonderful and bright. When you look at the artwork, it's one that's been made from a person who's become Americanized, because I came here as a 5-year-old. So you'll see a lot of kind of symbols of Batman or superheroes, which is what I grew up with. But what I tried to do was relate them back to my culture, which were masks. And a lot of the masks that I see in my culture are very, with the teeth out, which is why you will see a lot of the pieces downstairs, kind of like a mashup between American culture and the culture I come from. This is a person who's kind of raised here, but still spiritually lives in his country. I'd like to thank the Congressman, Robert Menendez Jr., for being here and looking at my artwork and appreciating art and just supporting the community and supporting the art.
It's great to be here at Hudson County Community College. I love being on campus anytime I can be. Today's especially great because we're in the midst of Hispanic Heritage Month, celebrating people like Ray who have contributed, who do incredible pieces of art, bring our culture to life. The other part of it is making sure that we're engaging our students, engaging our community, and letting them know about the opportunities that exist here at Hudson County Community College.
I actually like that we're sitting in front of the American flag, Batman, kind of, if you will. I call him Mr. Hero, by the way, because DC Comics had a little issue of me copying anything, so this is my Mr. Hero version of the...
You get licensed on it because it's completely different.
Right, and that's one of the things that I addressed with the lawyer that I had, and they said, you never made a round Batman. What are you complaining about? And they were like, yeah, just don't make it too as if it looks like Batman.
So how long does a piece like this take for you?
It depends. This one was meant for the streets. As you can see, so funny story about this one is that the round part of this, used to be, what's the lady who went to jail? Martha Stewart. Wow. So Target.
We should play games together.
So the lady who went to jail, Martha Stewart.
Yeah.
So this circular thing was hanging at Target with her face on it, selling something. I asked them, "Are you throwing it out? Because I would like it." They said, "No, we'll give it to you." I did this and I put it in the streets, and I put about 5 of them in the streets. So I go and I put them on link fences, and I just leave them there. People take them. So of the 5, 4 were taken. This one was left.
Wow.
So I went, I picked this one back out, and I took it home.
So this was, the holes are sort of where
where I clipped it against the fence. Yeah. Tag me on Instagram. Thanks for the artwork. And I'm like, yeah, that's why I put them out. I mean, you know, you take them. Yeah. So then I took the circle and I added the ears for myself, and I kept it in my house. This one took longer because it's 3-dimensional, and I had to. This is like this. So this is plastic. This is the top container of a lid, like a Tupperware lid. Yeah. So you have like, this is the plastic from a bottle of Coca-Cola that I had in the studio, and all these things are like wood, cardboard, paper mache, and this I did during Hurricane Sandy. Mixed media piece, yeah. This is Grace Camacho, graphic design student at St. Peter's. Former student of mine from North Bergen High School, and the one who actually designed my poster for this exhibit. Happy to have her here. I'm glad she came to the show, and you know, say a little something about the work and me and everything. I'll wait.
This is my first time going to one of his galleries. Pretty cool. I've always been a good fan of his work. He was always a teacher that kind of helped me, stuck by me, helped me with my portfolio. I will try to support him more often and come to more of these.
Hi, I'm Michelle Vitale. I'm the Director of Cultural Affairs at Hudson County Community College. We usually target artists like Ray, who are community-minded. He has a national and international reputation, and Ray was perfect for that. We're really trying to preserve legacies of culture and letting our students know who's an inspirational person in our community.